In this video, we will learn how to create a shared class book. For example, a book in which each child tells about an experience from the holiday, or a class recipe book in which each child writes down a recipe from home and the result is a class recipe book. Let's prepare the template of the book. Create a new book and give it a name. Click here to select from the backgrounds. Choose an image for the cover page. Let's select another image to use as background for all the pages. We have a variety of backgrounds to choose from. And that's it. When the template is ready, we can share it with the class. Let's go to View My Books. Click the Share button. Choose a class to share. And then open the lock to enable editing. Now the students can find the book in the shared class books. Inform the children that the book is in the class books. Each child can edit the book, add one or more pages, and add their content. When all the children will finish adding their recipes, the book will be ready. Now we can share the book with the parents and even print it. Thanks for listening. See you on the next tutorial.